Good morning, ma'am. I present to you the 10 types of table napkin folding. The first one is the single candle, the bird of paradise, the goblet fan, bishop hat, and the crown.
Table napkin folding. First is double candle, the goblet fan, birds of paradise, the single candle, and the
Good morning, ma'am. I present to you the different kinds of table napkin. We have first double candle, crown.
Good morning, everyone. May I present to you the 10 table napkin folding. We have Powerhouse Restaurant. Good morning. This is Major from my speaking. How may I help you? I would like to Miss Jennifer Palladilla.
May I present to you the Maria Clara red wine?
How do you settle your deal, ma'am?
I will pay through cash.
Good morning, ma'am. I present the complete setup of French, the chocolate, the range of the...
Here is your order. One serving of caramelized cake.
Please have a favor out.
Check your bill.
Phone is the service.
Now that you're close, I feel like coming undone in the middle of the night. When I'm in this dream, it's like a million little stars spelling out your name. You gotta come on, say that we'll be together. Come on.
Say, goblet band, rose band, crown, and candles.
May I present to you the American croquette setup. First, the table napkin called pyramid. In the right side of the table napkin,
This is the 10 table napkin. First, the double candle, single candle.
Good morning, ma'am. I present to you the table napkin folding. This one is
Good morning, ma'am. May I present to you the French complete setup. We are doing chocolate, one